Hello students, today we will start our next topic, that is electric field intensity due to infinite plane sheet of charge. Okay, here plane sheet means a single sheet only. Either it consists of positive charge or it consists of negative charge. Okay, so we have taken a sheet here. Now at any point P we need to calculate the electric field intensity which is at a distance r from the center here. So this sheet consists of positive charge. So there are various methods to calculate the electric field intensity, but the easiest method is Gaussian, to use the Gauss theorem. So for the Gauss theorem we need a Gaussian surface also. So we will take the Gaussian surface around this sheet. So the Gaussian surface is cylindrical here. We have taken a cylindrical Gaussian surface here. Here is the point. Okay. So Gaussian surface is taken such that electric field intensity at every point is same and it is symmetric in nature. And the third point will be electric field must be either parallel to the area vector or it must be perpendicular to the area vector. ओके, या तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एरिया वेक्टर के पैरेलल होनी चाहिए या फिर उसके परपेंडिकुलर. दिस आर द मस्ट कंडीशन. नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट दिस पॉइंट विल बी आउटसाइड हियर इन दिस डायरेक्शन. नाउ वी नीड टू टेक द एरिया वेक्टर. एरिया वेक्टर एट दिस पॉइंट विल बी आउटवर्ड सिंस इट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द सरफेस. ओके, नाउ एट दिस पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो outward, it is also perpendicular to the surface, and at this point it will be upward, perpendicular to the surface. Now we will calculate the total flux here, electric flux. So this, let us take this the first surface, this is the second surface, and this is the third surface. So the phi 1 plus phi 2 plus phi 2. Okay, now what's the formula for the electric flux is E ds cos theta. If you apply this formula here, E and ds are at the same, in the same line. दोनों same ही line है, मतलब दोनों parallel है. If they are parallel, then the angle between them will be 0 degree. So here cos 0 will be is equals to 1. So the flux at this point will be E ds. Same at the second point, E ds. Now apply this formula at this point. Here area vector is perpendicular to the electric field, so the angle between them will be 90 degree. So the flux at this point will be 0. So here 0 will come. Now the total flux will be equals to 2E ds. So we have used the Gaussian surface here. According to the Gauss theorem, phi is equals to Q upon epsilon naught. This is your equation first and this is your equation 2. When you combine these two equations, you will get Q upon epsilon naught is equals to 2E ds. Now we have to just solve this. So Q is equals to, we have learned sigma. What is sigma? Surface charge density, which is equals to Q upon surface area. So here we take a ds, because we have taken the small area. So Q is equals to sigma into ds upon epsilon naught is equals to 2E ds. Now ds by ds will cancel. So 2E is equals to sigma upon epsilon naught, where E is equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. This is the surface, this is the electric field intensity due to this infinite sheet of charge. So our next topic is, if we take that plane sheet having a uniform thickness T. Okay, it have the uniform thickness here. Now what is the electric field intensity due to this at point T? It will be because of that back surface E1, ठीक है, और आगे वाले surface की वजह से E2. So total electric field will be E1 plus E2. So what was the electric field? We have calculated sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. When you will solve it, you will get sigma upon epsilon naught. This is the electric field intensity due to the plane sheet if it have a uniform thickness T. Okay, now our next topic is electric field intensity due to two thin infinite plane parallel sheet of charge. Okay, two. So we have taken the two sheets. Okay, here first one is also positive and second one is also positive. So we will calculate the electric field intensity at 3 points at the first, second and third. Now here electric field intensity due to this one will be in this direction even. वैसे दोनों ही पॉजिटिव है तो दोनों की डायरेक्शन सेम ही रहने वाली है. Okay, and this one due to this positive, this one electric field will be in this direction outward, and due to this the electric field at this point will be in this direction. Okay, if we take a point here, the electric field due to this parallel sheet will be outward only. So in this E1 and here also E2. And they both have the different surface charge density. If it have the sigma 1 charge density and if it has the sigma 2. Now what's the value for E1 then? E1 is equals to sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught and E2 is equals to sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. Okay, now at the first surface we will calculate. At the first surface, total electric field will be, they both are in the same direction, so you will add them E1 plus E2. So E1 will be sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. Here it comes to be 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Due one sign convention we have ना, अगर आप इसको लेफ्ट में ले रहे हो, if you are calculating the electric field in the left, so you will use the negative sign here. Okay, this is due to the first one. Now due to the second it will be E is equals to E1 minus E2 will come here. E1 minus E2 will come only when sigma 1 will be greater than sigma 2. Okay, now here the value will be 1 upon 2 epsilon naught is equals to sigma 1 minus sigma 2. So this is the electric field intensity at the second due to the both parallel sheet. Now at the third it will come this one only. At the third सेम ही रहने वाली है फर्स्ट के, बस एक ही डिफरेंस होगा. इन द लेफ्ट वी हैव टेकन द माइनस साइन, सो इन द राइट वी विल नॉट यूज द माइनस साइन. ओके, नेक्स्ट केस इज वी हैव टेकन द टू पैरेलल शीट बट ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइन. Here it has the positive and that one will have the negative sign. And the condition we have taken here is that surface charge density is same at both the sheets. Okay, if here sigma we have taken, the surface charge density due to the negative will be minus sigma. Okay, now the electric field here at the first surface due to this positive will be outward E1 and due to this negative will be inward E2. Okay, at this one outward E1 and here inward E2. And same here it will be inward and due to the positive it will be outward. Since it have the same surface charge density, so they will cancel out each other. So the net electric field at the first surface will be equals to 0. Similarly here they will cancel out each other, so the net electric field here it will equals to 0. And here the net electric field will be E1 plus E2, which is equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught and 2 which is equals to sigma upon epsilon naught. Here the answer is